I gotta show you guys something. I need to pull over for this one. I saw this video on TikTok. This guy bought like a duck toy for a dog and got a duck call out of it and started using the duck call. There was an actual duck call in this duck. So I was like, no way, that's fake. So I went to the store, bought a duck. So I decided to dissect it. And what do you know? This thing pops out, which looks exactly like the thing he had. So I was like, well, maybe it does work. And well, listen to this. Look at this. There's an actual read in there. This thing was $4. So what I thought, do a little dog toy, duck call, dog toy challenge. So I'm going to take this call, go duck hunting, see if I can call in some ducks and shoot one. Do a little challenge with it. Do I think it'll work? I don't see why not. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go test this thing out, see if I'm calling a duck, do a little challenge. Dog, duck toy, duck call from the dog toy challenge. You guys stay tuned for that. I'm going to go check some ponds. I don't know where I'm going to be hunting with this thing, but we need to get some ducks. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we made it. It's about an hour and a half drive. We're at a little, I wouldn't say little, I guess, big private pond. Came out here and scouted yesterday, and there's a bunch of mallards on here, but I think they like to sleep here too. So that's what Colton's going to check on, see if they're still here. But anyways, we got the duck call. That's all I brought today. It's gonna call them in. Oh, right on the bank. That's perfect. Not green. Yeah. We just clapped its beak. Damn. Shit.
I think that was green.
The one you killed?
Yeah. Yes. That's a green.
Yeah, I saw that green. Oh, get down, get down. Might come back. Over? No?
Flare.
Are we taking these two if they do it?
They're green. That one was.
Got one.
That was really bad.
You taking a piss?
Yep.
Good stuff. Well, we had to just go on a little duck retrieve because we don't have a dog. And we had to wait for it to float across the water because it's really deep, but we got some color in the blind. Beautiful mallard. Beautiful. A little small, but better than the gadwall. So I think we've shot 4, but we can only find 3. One's still out in the middle. The other one went up on the bank somewhere. It's gone, but kind of turned off as of late. How many birds do you think we've seen? Like 50?
Probably.
You know, probably 50. Big groups don't want to do it though. Some singles and doubles up and coming in, but like I said, we got some green. We're doing a little sneak attack here. We've had these ducks just swimming on the pond for like 30 minutes to an hour. The sneak attack didn't work. We had a group of mallards come in. And I suck. I can't shoot today for some reason. I mean, in my defense, they were a little far, but they were cupping, so. This is ridiculous. It's been slow, and then that group comes in right as he's trying to go around the bank, of course. Well, boys, we suck. We ended up with 3 birds. Well, 4, but we couldn't find one. We got 2 greens, though. One ugly gadwall. We ain't seen anything flying. It's been slow. Our wind is absolutely horrible. And so, yeah, we're quitting. So we're quitters. But we got green. We got green. Hell, it is the next day, and as you can see, we got a little bit of powder on the ground. But anyway, we made it back. Wasn't a great duck hunt. Wasn't bad. We saw a bunch of birds, didn't kill a bunch of birds. They didn't want to come into our spread. But that's not the point, because we killed some birds, and I was using the old, where's it, right here? The old $4 duck call from the duck toy, wherever the toy is, right there. So that just proves, do you need to go out and buy an expensive duck call? No. You can literally go to the store, get you $4, go to the store, get you a duck toy, cut it open, pull out the call, and just start calling. So this just proves you guys don't need to spend a bunch of money on duck hunting. I know a lot of people have like Sitka gear, and go to Walmart, get camo. Go to Walmart, get a duck toy. You got your duck call already. You just keep it in your jacket. You don't even need a lanyard. So that just proves you don't need to be spending money, or a lot of money, on all this duck hunting gear. You can use cheap stuff and it works. We killed birds with a $4 duck call, so go get you one. But anyway, that's gonna wrap up today's video. We only got like 10 days left of duck season. Well, it's about to close actually today, and then in about a week it's gonna reopen, and then it's done for good. So we're about done with ducks. It's getting freezing here. It's about, what is it, like 2 degrees right now? Yeah, it's pretty cold. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, especially for that duck call, and go get you a duck call. I'll link it in the, if I can find the link. Just go to Walmart. You don't need a link. Go to Walmart, find a duck, cut it open. But I think other than that, we'll see you on the next one.